टोनी साल्डनाच्या वाय डिजिटल ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन फेल ह्या पुस्तकाचो लोकार्पण सुवाळो शुक्रारा पाटो पणजेच्या कला आनी संस्कृती संचालनालयाच्या मल्टीपर्पज सभाघरांत जालो. मंत्री लोबोंच्या हातांत ह्या पुस्तकाचें प्रकाशन जालें. ह्या वेळार गोंय विद्यापीठाचे उपकुलगुरू वरुण साहनी आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
My association with Tony is almost 2 years old through his sister Dr. Flory, who has shouldered the responsibility of organizing this event so graciously and also gave us an opportunity to be part of this event. We came to know Tony not through his adventures in business, transformation and all that. Actually, we came in touch with each other because of the musical talents of his daughter Lara when we organized a piano recital at Kala Academy 2 years back. And at that time, even at that time, I was not aware that Tony is actually working in a technology environment. But recently, when Flory and Anthony and myself we were discussing about Tony's visit and release of the book, at that time I came to know the role Tony played, or the leading role he played in transforming, especially digitally transforming, one of the world's biggest consumer services enterprise of PNG.
Since we are from the shipbuilding industry, and the first question was, what is this artificial intelligence? When you are used to day-to-day work, how this IoT and what is this coming in our way, and will we be able to meet this target or not? We have certain memorandum of understanding with the government that we will do this end of the year.
This is really in many ways an outstanding book. But before I tell you why I think it's outstanding, let me tell you what it's not. This is not a book that's been written by someone who wants to write a book. You know, there are lots and lots of books that are written by people who want to write a book. This is not that type of a book. This is a book written by someone who really has something to say, who really has something to contribute, and who's therefore taken huge chunks of time out of what is an extremely busy professional life to write this book.
I think when we speak about digital, one immediate thought what we get is our Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi in 2014, his first speech of Digital India. And when he speaks about Digital India, 130 crore population, well, with a click of a button, he says that you will get things. And there we go on. And I think Goa, when we speak about digital, we have so many departments of government of Goa.
So the book is Why Digital Transformations Fail. As you all know, digital is one of the biggest priorities for India, and it's also the number one priority for the world's biggest leaders and the world's biggest countries and most important countries. And I am absolutely delighted to have the book released here in my hometown of Goa, because I think Goa has a unique opportunity to leapfrog many of the problems that we have by using digital as a technology. The book is Why Digital Transformations Fail, but really it is a how-to checklist guide on how digital transformation can become successful. So although globally about 70% of digital transformations fail, it doesn't have to be that bad if you follow a disciplined checklist. So I just wanted to say it is a real pleasure to actually have the Minister for Science and Technology, Sri Michael Lobo, to have the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Varun Sani, to have the Chairman and Managing Director of Goa Shipyard, Commodore Nagpal, and to also have my dear friend, Associate Professor Associate Professor Ramrao Vag, to be here, and of course, all of the wonderful people that were able to join us. Thank you very much.